All right, so that moment has come. Ili bandiruvanತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Because it's not easy. ಒಂದು ಭಾನುವಾರದ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯವನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. A very special welcome to the firemen, people who play such an important part in our lives, and in a way, the fulcrum and the central focal point. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಸಂತಿ ಹರಿಪ್ರಕಾಶ್. I come from the world of media, radio, television, podcasts. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಲ್ಟನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ I'm happy to talk to you and welcome you to what is India's first citizen-led fire safety community. And there's a reason. Some of you know, some of you don't. So I'm just going to take a minute of yours. That on 23rd February 2010, ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ನಡೀತು. There was a fire tragedy in a high-rise in the Carlton Towers. 9 precious lives were lost. And out of that, the families of those who had lost their dear ones came together and formed Beyond Carlton. We are really fortunate that people come forward to collaborate, to support Beyond Carlton in ways that they uniquely can. One such person is Raghu Dikshit, a musician from Bangalore, someone who brings so much energy into his music. Raghupati Dwarkanath Dikshit, that's what his website also says, is an Indian singer, composer, producer, and film score composer who is a frontman for also a multilingual folk music band called the Raghu Dikshit Project. Without further ado, please join me in welcoming Raghu Dikshit.
Good evening, everybody. I'm taking it for granted that some of you may not understand Kannada entirely. Is that so? Is there anyone who don't understand Kannada at all? All right, so I shall keep it in English then. Is that okay? All right. So I'm presenting a song today which is relevant for today's world more than when it was written 300 years ago. This song is written by a saint poet from this beautiful state named Santa Shishnala Sharifa. And the song is called Soruti Hudu Maniya Maligi, which means my roof is leaking, and leaking with ignorance. And I think if at all there is one root cause for all the evils that we see and all the mishaps we see in this world, it starts with that, ignorance. And if we get out of the dark towards the light, I think a lot of disasters can be saved. And we all see this every day. Most of them are man-made. At the root cause is ignorance. He goes on to say how hollow we have all become, taking metaphor of the roof of his house, where every wooden beam is slowly being eaten by termites of our own greed, of our own lack of awareness. And in the dark, when there is humongously fierceful winds and rain, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫೋನನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಲೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ. ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ನಾನು ನುಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ when his house is getting washed away and the roof is coming down, he realizes it's too late and he's seeking divine intervention. And as we all know, it doesn't happen all the time. Most of the time, it is right there in our own willpower to save everybody around us. The selfishness that we deal with every day within ourselves. We always wait for some disaster to happen to wake up, saying, now we need to do something about this. Which is sad for the victims who go through it. But if we are all aware citizens today, I think we can all change this beautiful country into what it deserves to be, and the rest of the world too, in our own small little ways. More about that in a couple of songs later. But the first one is called Soruti Hudu Maniya Maligi. Oh, Soruti Hudu Maniya Maligi.
ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ದಾರುಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ದಾರುಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಳ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಮೇಲಕೇರಿ ಹೋಗಲಾರೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಗರಕಿ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಕಸವು ಹತ್ತಿ ಹರಿದು ಸಾಲು ಇರಬಿ ಮುತ್ತಿ ಗರಕಿ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಕಸವು ಹತ್ತಿ ಹರಿದು ಸಾಲು ಇರಬಿ ಮುತ್ತಿ ಜಲದ ಭರದಿ ಸರಿಯೇ ಮಣ್ಣು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಏಕವಾಗಿ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಂತೆ ಕೇಳೆ ಕರುಣದಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಕಾಳೆ ಹುಬ್ಬಿ ಮಳೆಯು ಕಾಂತೆ ಕೇಳೆ ಕರುಣದಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಕಾಳೆ ಹುಬ್ಬಿ ಮಳೆಯು ಎಂತ ಶಿಶುನಳ ಶಿಶುನಳಾಧೀಶ ತಾನು ಇಳಿದು ಬರವೆನು ಎಂದು ನಂಬಿದೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಓ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಅಜ್ಞಾನದಿಂದ ಸೋರುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಳಿಗೆ
The next song is, so whatever my performance is today of 3, 4 songs, I've kind of threaded it in such a way that I could also tell you a story. We spoke about how ignorance leads to disasters from the first one. The second one is we all make mistakes, and as humans, I think we are vulnerable most of the times than ever. Most of the times we're vulnerable to make mistakes. That's because of our own negative bias in our brain. We always expect the worst to happen sometimes. And we invite trouble, and we make trouble. We hurt people, we get hurt, and we carry on. But then, as much as the punishments are all there, the biggest punishment is to carry on the regret of the mistakes that you made. The regret that you didn't say the right words at the right time. The regrets that you let temper fly. The regrets that you didn't say you love someone. The regrets that you didn't love someone. And the best part is that it's never too late to wake up from that and let go of that baggage and say, let me at least lead the rest of my life in a more positive way and make the days to come better, positive, happy, light. So this song is called Hey Bhagwan, and it's a prayer to the good Lord above to give us all a second chance. And not just second chance, actually, you can ask for the 10th chance if you're willing to make that change. We all say, okay, tomorrow I'm going to lose weight. From tomorrow I'm going to diet, whatever. And then you carry on for a few more years and put on some weight. And then say, let me start again. And eventually you do. You get around to do it. And just like that, beyond Carlton, I'm so proud of you, what you guys are doing. You didn't just lament in darkness and pain. Yes, you are doing it privately maybe, but then you're also making a change, bringing in change, inspiring people to think in the right direction, governments to think policymakers to think in the right direction. So I congratulate you for converting your pain into something very, very positive. I think that's brilliant. And I wish you carry on for years together.
ये छोटी सी है जिंदगी, ये छोटी सी है जिंदगी, उससे छोटा एक सपना। ये छोटी सी है जिंदगी, उससे छोटा एक सपना। एक बार इस धरती पे देख लूं खुदा अपना। हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे, हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे। रात के अंधेरे में ओ, रात के अंधेरे में मुझे जो उजाला दे, रात के अंधेरे में मुझे जो उजाला दे, जब थक जाऊं तो अपनी गोद का सहारा दे। हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे, हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे। आज भी तू देखता होगा, आज भी तू देखता होगा कहीं दूर सा दुआ आसमान। आज भी तू देखता होगा कहीं दूर सा दुआ आसमान। वो कैसे खोया जा रहा है अपने आप में इंसान। हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे, हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे। ये दिल को संभालूं कैसे, ये दिल को संभालूं कैसे, तन्हाई में डूबी रात है। ये दिल को संभालूं कैसे, तन्हाई में डूबी रात है। अकेले हो तो क्या हुआ रे, अकेले हो तो क्या हुआ रे, अकेले हो तो क्या हुआ रे, उसका जो सहारा है। हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे, हे भगवान मुझको तू जिंदगी दोबारा दे। Please give it up for Gautam on the flutes, Advait on the guitars, and we'll be back soon.
गौतम और अद्वैत को वापस सुनने के लिए दैट्स अ बिट अबाउट रघु's music. Alva, I'm sure a lot of people here, especially his Kannada compositions, Tsunami agirli athwa Lokada Kalaji. There's just so many that people love listening to. Today, Raghu has put together a tribute specially for us at Beyond Carlton.